Hello, my little artist. Welcome back to the magical art with Ananya. So, today we are going to draw a Christmas tree together. Long ago, a baby named Jesus was born in a small town called Bethlehem, and people believed he was a special gift from God who came to teach us what? He came to teach us love, kindness, and sharing. We celebrate Christmas to remember this happy day and to spread joy everywhere. That's why we decorate a Christmas tree because it reminds us of hope, happiness, and a new life. So, while we are drawing this Christmas tree, we're adding a big star on the top because the star is showing light to everyone and filling our lives with love and light. So, decorate your Christmas tree with round ornaments, bells, and candy shapes, and you can add lights to make it sparkle. And which color will you do to your tree? Obviously, green, and use your favorite colors for the decoration. And remember that every tree is special just like you. You have to keep smiling, keep drawing, and keep spreading love. So, Merry Christmas, my little artist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya because in this winter season, I'm going to bring lots of new content for you people. So do keep a tab on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.